So it's both gluten-friendly and keto-friendly. It's fantastic.
Well, here I have Maureen again in my home. How wonderful. What are you doing today, Maureen?
Yes, I am here visiting my mom once again.
Woohoo!
Today, I am making lasagna.
Lasagna! I haven't had lasagna in years.
So I didn't grow up eating lasagna as a little kid. When was lasagna introduced to us?
Well, when my older daughter, Andrea, had taken it in home ec class, grade 11 or something like that, she brought home a piece that she had made, and it was so delicious. And so I learned how to make it from her and loved it ever since. Thank you, Andrea.
So I'm going to take you through the steps on how I made this lasagna. But first, it's happy hour.
Cheers!
Come along.
Woohoo! I can hardly wait. I'm so excited.
These are the palm hearts that I like to use. And these are great if you need it for gluten-free or if you do keto. It only has 4 grams of carbs in it. So it's both gluten-friendly and keto-friendly. It's fantastic. We take the palm noodles and we drop them into a sieve. And then we're just going to give them a quick rinse. We just put a couple of tablespoons of our meat mixture into the bottom of our pan, spreading it out. I'm also going to just try to put some of the juices in there. And we're going to take our palm noodles and lay them out on the bottom. And we're going to put our meat mixture as a layer. I like to throw a little bit of cheese on this layer here, so we're going to do that. Then we take our next layer of noodles and put them across a layer of our cottage cheese with a hint of Parmesan. And we have another layer of our noodles. And we're going to sprinkle it a little bit with our Swiss chard, adding in some extra greens. I just gently wilted the Swiss chard. I'm going to add more of our meat sauce on top of this Swiss chard. Another layer of noodles. And then another layer of our cottage cheese mixture. And we might as well just finish it off with another layer of meat on top of that. And finish it off with our last layer of noodles. And then finishing with our grated cheese. Voila. And then we're going to put it in our easy bake oven. I'll put a little tin foil on it just to keep it protected. So there we have it with the tin foil just lightly laying on top just to protect the cheese. Ta-da! It's ready. Look at that, it looks beautiful. Now, when I am making lasagna, I make all different kinds of layers, so you don't have to follow this exact layers. So of course there was the Swiss chard that came from my mom's garden, and the patty pans that came from my garden. I normally make my lasagna in a 9x13. I don't usually do it this deep, which is why the extra layers. Dinner is served, madam.
Wow. Magnificent. I've been smelling it for over an hour and a half, and I can hardly wait to taste it. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy. Thank you, Maureen.
You're very welcome, Mom. Have a little taste.
Oh, you gotta taste this, you people. You all need a diva in the dirt in your family. Thank you, Maureen. Mwah.
You're
Mwah.
welcome. And so that's what I did today. Made lasagna for my mom. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless.
God bless. Oh.
I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless.
You. Oh.
You'll get it one day, Mom.
Yeah, I will. By the way, these palm noodles are just as good as pasta noodles. Wonderful. Thank you for introducing them to me.
You're welcome, Mom. Say bye.
God bless.